Got the 383 stroker motor and a 350 turbo transmission out of the shed. Pressure washed it, got it pretty good shape. It was really bad, dirty before I pressure washed it. So what I got to do, got to break it apart, got transmission. I'm going to replace the pan gasket, filter, front and rear seal. And the engine, I'm going to replace front and rear seal, oil pan gasket, intake manifold, put aluminum high rise on it, and aluminum valve covers, paint job. Yeah, put a paint job on them. So yeah, that's what we got going on there. And then I'm going to stick them in the frame over there. Alright guys, Ratrod Bob here. We got to change the plans. The original plan was to put a 383 stroker motor and a turbo 350 transmission in this car that was already running and driving, and build an engine and transmission later, like maybe next year, to replace it. But this motor is shot. The old boy I bought it from lied to me. It's not even a 383 stroker motor. It's got a 3.48 stroke and a 4-inch bore. It's a stock old Mr. Goodwrench 350, standard bearing, standard bore, standard stroke. So it's not even a stroker motor, and it's shot, the bearings are shot, crankshaft shot, cam shot. So I'm going to be rebuilding it, and yeah, we're going to rebuild it. One thing I want to mention, I noticed you guys, I'm getting a lot of views on my videos, but not as many likes, and not hardly any dislikes. So that means evidently most of the guys watching, they kind of like it. So if you watch my videos and you like it, click the like button. All you got to do is click the button. It don't cost you anything. Just click that thumbs up under the video, like the video. And if you watched them and you had subscribed and you like my videos, subscribe to the channel. Just click on that subscribe button down there below the video. It don't cost you anything. Just click on that subscribe button. And you click that bell beside it, and you'll get an email notification when I upload a new video, so you won't never miss an episode. Alright, I just want to mention that. Okay, even if you're not an engine builder, you see that this crank is shot. Yeah, it's shot. Cam is shot. You see the first lobe looks okay. Nope. Not good. Same here. That lobe shot. Yeah, cam shot. Look at them bearings. Way shot. You want to know why the engine wears out? Look right here. This is the oil pan. Look. Yeah, you got to change your oil every now and then if you don't want your engine to wear out prematurely. So we got to change the plans. I was going to change the seals and pan gasket and all on this engine because it was running, had good oil pressure actually. until I got into it and got to looking at the bearings. I was ready to change the oil pan gasket and front rear seal. Got to looking at the bearings, and then I seen this. So yeah, I changed the plan. So I'm gonna be rebuilding the engine and the transmission. It was shifting, working good, but I wanted a TH 350 turbo 350. This is a 350C. It's got electronic. It's got lock-up torque converter, and I don't want no electronic. So yeah, that's gonna be going in storage. I got 2 old turbo 350s, so I'm gonna be rebuilding one of them. Gonna be rebuilding the engine. I'm gonna do a economy rebuild. The cylinders are not that bad, so I'm gonna hone the cylinders and use the same pistons. Put new bearings, new rings, new crankshaft, new oil pump, double roller timing chain, little Summit performance cam, new lifters. I'm gonna lap in the valves myself because it was running fine. So yeah, I'm gonna do that myself. So yeah, change of plans. The bad news is I'm going to be rebuilding the engine and transmission before I get this car going. The good news is you guys get to watch more videos of building the car before I get the car going. So we won't be making it to hazardous waste with this one, but the old Falcon out there, I'm going to have to crank it up, make sure it still runs. I'm sure it does. We're going to be bringing it to the hazardous waste. Yep. Okay, what? So, I got parts already ordered for the engine and transmission, so while I'm waiting on parts, I'm one thing, get these engine parts cleaned up that I'm going to reuse and get the heads. Valves, I'm gonna relap the valves and the heads, and then what I'm probably gonna do is start rubbing silver over this chassis. Even though all this back here is gonna be under the car, you ain't gonna be able to see it unless you climb under the car. I'm gonna rub the silver over all of it and the body. I'm gonna lay the body back up on the side, rub silver underneath it on the bottom side too. So that's just the way I want it. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. We got a lot of stuff to do, so you guys stick with me. Appreciate you.